Today I want to share with you a simple way that you can start selling your products online using EverBee's all-in-one platform. Hey friends, it's Tisha. Welcome back to another video, and I'm here to teach you the tools you need to help you start your online business and so you can start building the life that you want. Now, I get it. When you're first starting out, it is so exciting to start your online business. And then when you start thinking about what you actually need, you need a website, you need an email marketing tool, and you need a way to drive traffic to get people to actually see and buy your products. It starts to feel like a lot and you hesitate. Don't worry, friend, I got you. With EverBee, it has everything you need in one place. Let's go ahead and jump into my computer screen so I can show you. Starting with EverBee's AI website builder, you can build your digital store instantly. You don't have to worry about knowing how to code or have any type of web design skills to create your website. You can create a website to sell your digital products, physical products, print-on-demand products, and you can also set up subscriptions and have a membership with EverBee. I created a full step-by-step tutorial showing you how you can customize your website using EverBee's AI website builder. I will link that tutorial in the description. Not only can you use AI to help you build your digital store, you can also use EverBee's built-in AI tool, the Brain, to analyze your store data to help you grow your business. Now, we hear it all the time, you need to build your email list, and EverBee lets you do that directly from the platform. Within the EverBee email marketing tool, it includes landing pages so you can start collecting emails right away. To set up your landing page from your EverBee dashboard, you want to make sure you go to the marketing icon from the left-hand menu, select email, select grow, and then go all the way over to the right and click on the pencil to edit, and it's going to give you the opportunity to edit your landing page, and this is how you can start collecting your emails to build your email list. And you can edit everything that you see here. You can add a logo, change out the heading, give a little message. You can also change the button style if you want, and also change it to match your brand colors. It's really simple and easy to do. And once you're done, you just simply hit save, and this is the link that you want to share to your landing pages to start collecting your emails. You can easily set up email workflow automation with their email template. They have pre-made templates for your welcome email, order updates, abandoned cart series. Anything you need, you can use one of these sequences. You don't need to pay for a separate email tool. Let's click on the welcome sequence so you can see it in action. All right, it's going to bring you here. You just click on the email that you want to see. It is usually kind of small when you first click on it, but if you go down here to the left and click on the plus, it will zoom it in for you. Basically, this is a sequence that your customers will go through with your welcome sequence. It automatically has it set up for you. You can easily edit it by just selecting the block that you want to edit. So it's going to pop over here. So it's letting you know this is the first email in the welcome sequence. Click view email details. And here you see that it already has email copy for you. And you can simply just edit this to fit your brand. Now, out of these features, my favorite is the abandoned cart feature because not a lot of platforms offer this feature, and this is very helpful when you have those customers who add products to their cart but they don't check out right away. You can send a follow-up email and potentially turn that into a sale instead of leaving money on the table. EverBee is known as a keyword research tool, so it makes sense that it includes SEO optimization features. You can add SEO keywords to help your store and products show up in search results like Google, which brings in organic traffic, and so you don't have to heavily rely on social media to get people to your store. You can also use their AI tool to help you with your SEO optimization. So if you don't want to waste time or money using multiple platforms to start selling your products online, make sure you check out EverBee. I will leave a link down below in the description box. If you have any questions, you can leave those down in the comments. And to learn how you can use EverBee's AI website builder to build your digital store, make sure you check out the video that's in your screen. As always, friends, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.